Today, I'll show you how to convert Lazada Wallet to GCash. First, open the Lazada app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the Lazada account that has the wallet balance. Once you are on the home screen, tap Account at the bottom right corner. Now look for Lazada Wallet. Tap it to open your wallet page. Before continuing, it is important to know that Lazada Wallet balance cannot always be transferred directly to GCash. Some Lazada Wallet funds are refundable, while other balances may be promo credits, vouchers, rewards, or cashback. Promo credits usually cannot be withdrawn and can only be used for eligible purchases inside Lazada. Inside Lazada Wallet, check your available balance and look for a withdraw, refund, or transfer option. If the withdraw option is available, tap it. Lazada may ask you to choose where you want to send the money. If GCash is shown as a withdrawal option, select GCash. Then enter your GCash mobile number and account name carefully. Make sure the number is correct, because sending funds to the wrong account may be difficult to fix. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the details, including the amount, destination account, and any processing time. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete a verification step before Lazada processes the request. After submitting, wait for Lazada to process the transfer. Check your GCash app to see if the money arrives. If GCash is not shown as an option, you may need to withdraw the eligible balance to a bank account first, then transfer from that bank to GCash. If there is no withdraw option at all, the balance may not be withdrawable. In that case, you can only use it for Lazada purchases. Be careful with people online offering Lazada Wallet to GCash conversion services. Avoid anyone asking for your OTP, password, account login, or extra fees. So, to keep it simple, open Lazada Wallet, check if your balance is withdrawable, choose GCash if available, or withdraw to a bank first and then send to GCash. And that's how you convert Lazada Wallet to GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.